EDC, day 0, let's go! Time is 10:02, the lines are pretty thick. There are a lot of them, so we're gonna see how long it's gonna take us to get through.
I would be wearing like a mask on.
They should have a water truck.
Gates opened up at, what time did gates open? 8 or 9? 9. Gates opened up at 9, so we've been here for we've been open for an hour. So we're gonna see how long it takes to get through. Okay, so these are the RV lines. What it looks like, at least 10 across, at least 10 different lines going across. They're directing traffic.
Thank you.
Doesn't look too bad. Okay, it took about 30 minutes to get through, and now, so what they do to check is everybody exits off, they check our IDs. We just got camp wristbands, and now they're gonna search the RV. So that's the process. So the line wasn't that bad. So getting here at 10 o'clock took 30 minutes to get through. So not bad at all. So this is the check-in process. Moving along, so this is all the tent campers. So look at the gravel road. So that's why they suggest bringing wagons. Like, these people are dragging their shit across this gravel road. I can't see where the actual tents are right now though, but we're still moving along through the RV line to find our spot. Okay, you see these people with the wagons? They know what's up. Let me see. Oh yeah. So good for them. Those wagons are like $80. And then we got this tractor spraying the floor, so it's not so dusty. 30, so this is taking a whole nother like 30 minutes after getting checked. We still haven't parked, and service is already getting spotty for all of us. See how much longer it takes to actually get in and parked. Camp set up. This is our setup. Got the guy sitting out here, but this is the full thing. I cannot imagine being in a tent right now, because like being here in the shade is so clutch because it feels good. But I'm about to lather up in sunscreen. It is hot, hot, hot. That is our thing right there. And this ride is right inside camp, so we're gonna take a little bit ride and then go back just to cool off. It's freaking hot, guys. It is boiling out here. Wear sunscreen. Oh, my ears are starting to burn, so I need to put sunscreen on my ears. But so far, this is a cute little camp setup. Already got the vibes going. Hear the music. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Let's run it again. Let's run it again.
Holy shit. You're going pretty fast.
No. Armin got us a little goodie bag, so let's do a goodie bag haul.
Okay. Let's see. We got face mask.
Okay.
Some collagen.
Hell yeah.
Very important.
Hell yeah.
Squish. Yummy. Like,
Some candies. All right, all right.
Okay. Some shea butter.
Lovely.
It's dry as fuck in the desert. Nutella.
Ooh.
Trap size. That might come in handy.
Okay, so.
Neutrogena. We have this
perfect.
really cute little heart.
Okay.
Oh,
thing.
I would have given
Power.
everyone one of those, but those things
I
are
saw
hard
you made
to
some
keep.
earrings.
I made a bunch of earrings.
Oh, is this chapstick? Oh my god, I love these.
Let's see.
This is my name.
Lovely.
You have to tie it on yourself.
Cute. Thank you, Carmen.
Thank you, Carmen. Love you.
RV tour. This is the front. So this couch folds out, and this is where me and Gabby sleep. We have a full-on little kitchen area. Right now we have a pie baking. There is no oven, so we're baking it in that kitchen table. This is the refrigerator. We got 2 bunks. This is where the boys are sleeping. This is the bathroom. It's a pretty good size. Only number 1s. You can only pee in here. And then back here is where the girls are sleeping. All this drawer space. And then there's also, I can't get in there, but there's another like bathroom and shower, but we don't. And there's a back. Taking a walk through camp, so it's cool. You're able to tell people where you are because there's numbered lots, but there's also streets. So right now, like, I'm on 34th and H, and then Henry sent me, he's on 33rd and K. So there's K, and then I'll just go up one. So it's kind of nice to be able to pinpoint and tell your friends exactly where you are, and you'll have everybody's location. And I started sharing some of my location with some of my friends. The service is still really spotty. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We're trying to figure out how to buy the Wi-Fi. We still don't even have that info. People brought their bikes, easy to get around, but it is a scorcher. Moonstone, wait, where's K? Oh, okay, K's at the very end. So it's, I know I keep saying every time I get on here, I feel like I just say how hot it is, but it is, like it burns. So let's go find Henry.
Henry's gonna be
I'm visiting Henry's RV spot. He's with Sally from Hong Kong. And this is their setup.
Someone needs to go find the champagne.
There's Sally. Sally!
Huh?
For YouTube! Hi! Say hi for you before this shots right now.
head of the bed.
Even though we stayed out all night drinking.
We did. Still not recovered. This is why I love it. Cheers. Happy EDC. I don't know what EDC is.
Sir. All right, a few hours into camp, and I'm already 1,000% happy with my choice to RV camp. It's hot as fuck out here though, so do not tent camp. But the RV camp is clutch. It's so, the service is in and out, but when it comes, like, you're able to meet up with your friends, and then there's little like numbers on the floor, and then there's streets. So far, me and my two other RV friends, we're all within like a 2-minute walk of each other. So once you get somebody's like lot number and then which street that they're on, so right now I'm on my way to find Johnny and Monse, then it's easy. Like, we're just all like popping around and chilling at different RVs, having a drink here, moving over here, taking shots. Like, this is fucking lit. I'm not lit right now. I've only had one Truly and one shot. And then, like I said, Johnny and Monse just gave me their little address. So I'm gonna go find them. And then I'm gonna take a break for a few hours until the sun goes down. It's brutal, but camping is lit. Remember him and Gabby, little Europe fam? We got EDC Pancake Mom rolled up and handing out Jello shots. How cool! Yes, thank you, EDC Pancake Mom.
Yeah, awesome! Oh my god! So good to meet you, fellow Stephanie.
No, I'm still nibbling.
So I just ruined the microgreens for everybody because I fucking fell into it. They're all flattened out now. All because I was trying to come for the vlog. So look at this line. It's not zooming in. It's not focusing. Of RVs coming in. What time is it? 6:30.
Yeah, 6:11.
6:11. We've been here for We've been here for hours, and there's still so many people rolling in. Look at that. What's everybody's thoughts on camp so far?
Woo! Love it. Nice
Right?
and
This is
cold.
great. This is great. Oh shit. It's sorry, greens. Obsessed with RV camping. We're cooking a proper meal. The proper meal is chili dogs and mac and cheese. This is our first dinner. Cut up some onion. We got cheese, and Brittany made homemade chili. So we got a little dinner going. Okay, so we did a little update. We had this table here. We're handing out sunglasses and pasties and gems. We got this going. Hell yeah.
We're in Ratchetville. We're in Ratchetville, USA, baby.
We just got to the pre-party. This is inside of camp. We haven't been in here at all today. This is our first time. And we got the crew. Johnny and Monse, Paulina. We're waiting for a few others before we go further in. Oh, for real? We're at camp now. Here we go. This is their first EDC The bathrooms right outside the camp area, the camp pre-party, are filthy.
Disgusting.
They do not flush them. Look at them. All of these, every single one of these
Why
are flooded.
why? I don't understand
Are
why.
flooded. No, it's right.
Why are people
And then
so gross?
there's even some where there's shit sprayed all over.
Literally.
all over the place. So, where I'm staying, I'm gonna show you guys later. I'm gonna do a full tour later. There are full-on flushable concrete, like proper porcelain like toilets. Those are fine. The ones directly outside of camp, look at this with the porta potties, directly outside of camp. These, the left side and the right side, are fucked. I've gone to the bathroom 3 times since I've been in camp tonight, and the camp area, fucked, disgusting, flooded, nasty as hell, disgusting. But I'm gonna show you guys later. But not everybody can go to those ones that I'm talking about, so I'm gonna show you later.
Where are the weenies?
Okay, so we're back inside camp. So we picked up more drinks, but you hear that? That's not where the pre-party is at. This is somebody's camp setup. It sounds better out here than it does in there, actually. Let me see. I'll try to walk past